We looked at integrating the Hypertherm platform with the OTC. It's a fully seamless integration to where everything is controlled through our teach pendant. We're controlling the amps, we're controlling the arc voltage. The Hypertherm XPR300 is giving feedback to the controller, and we're able to adjust arc height and torque height, things like that. I'm very excited about the marriage between OTC and Hypertherm. This gives the customer 3D capability for cutting in 3D. If you're cutting on a dome, if you need a hole cut on the side of a dome, we're going to be able to do that. And we're going to be able to maintain the arc height because of that integration that we've got. We're getting feedback from the controller, and our system is automatically compensating for that arc voltage. I'm very, very excited about this. I think it's going to open up the doors for dome cutting. It's going to open up the doors for pipe cutting, doing saddles. I'm very excited about this integration. The integration with beam cutting, I'm really excited. I think it's going to be a great opportunity for us to cut beams, square tubing, piping. Like I say, I think this marriage between OTC and Hypertherm has really opened up the doors for our customers to benefit from this and move their processes forward. I'm really excited about it.